Today we're here to introduce the game of lacrosse to a bunch of kids from South Jersey. It's the prosecutor's office, it's the Wings, it's Inspira, coming together to support our communities and help kids learn about a great game.
We're here because we believe in sport, we believe in the power of sport. And it's incumbent on us to deliver that message and deliver tangible opportunity and impact to the communities that we serve.
The Wings and Inspira Health have partnered up and give us a chance to come out in these different communities, just share the game of lacrosse that we love, share a little bit about healthy living, and it's good to see at these schools we go to, some kids are fans, some kids have never heard of it. It's a good mixture and they have a lot of fun participating with us and learning about lacrosse.
For us, this is all about pro-social activity, and so sports creates an opportunity for our kids to become productive, become part of a team, and really get out of isolation.
So it was a really fun day. It was like teaching people the basics of lacrosse and how to perform to get better at lacrosse.
I think lacrosse is a great sport. It's very team oriented. You get to work with your teammates a lot, and it's really fun.